So as Dr. Iacono said, I popped open the hood, tried to get here as fast as I can, wore my boots, ready for the groundbreaking. I'm excited to be here. I wouldn't miss this for the world. This is incredibly important. Dr. Iacono has been an incredible partner, particularly in addressing the governor's vision for an innovation economy. What does that mean, an innovation economy? Well, it's assessing what the state's needs are, first of all, its workforce, its talent development, industry needs, and how do we position ourselves to be prepared to answer 21st century needs all around the nation and the world. So I can't think of a better partner in that work as Dr. Iacono's team and himself. So I meet with countless business industry leaders, with students, with college presidents, and the thing I hear the most is local industry partnerships with higher education. This is what we have here today, and the faculty and students that will be involved in the work that's going to happen here in hopefully a year or so when this is finally built, will reap tremendous benefits. And you see, even in your little pamphlet, you turn to the first page and you see certificates, degrees. That's what students are going to walk out of this program with, because a credential prepares students for the workforce of tomorrow. That piece of paper, it's not just about starting, it's about finishing, completing, attaining that credential, and being prepared with the skill sets to address the workforce needs and to earn more. At the end of the day, we want our students to make incredible wages here in our state, and we don't want them to leave our state. We want them to be here and to be well educated. And I'm astonished and elated when everyone here today is echoing students, students, students. And that's what it's about here today. So I'm excited to be here, represent the secretary, and I'll keep my remarks short. And one thing I will mention is experiential learning. So projects like this that prioritize internships, co-ops, apprenticeships, and give work-based learning experiences to students is the type of learning that happens outside of the classroom. That's putting learning in practice is one of the biggest indicators for success in preparation for the workforce for students. So I'm excited to be here. Thank you so much, and best of luck. Thanks.